Baka na may kasamang sigawan! Ay, mahinay sa ba? Mas malakas ang sigawan! Alam mo na sigaw nyo, halatang hindi kayo nag-lunch pero gusto nyo mag-dinner dito. Ayan, thank you so much. And of course, one of time, dyan lang tayo to our Debbie and Mommy. And of course, please remain standing because I don't think so yun lang yung energy kaya nyo ngayong gabi. Kaya naman, is it okay if you're going to join me dancing tonight? Okay lamang, samahan nyo ba akong sumayaw? Parang ayaw nyo pa. Paligpis yung catering. Paligpis yung catering. Kaya naman, all you have to do, ladies and gents, is to follow my lead because I strongly believe na yung mga nasa likod ay absent. Yung mga nasa likod po. Nakikita ko po, hawak ko po ang mga pamilya natin. Ayun, thank you so much po, sir. Ayan. So all you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is to follow my lead and of course, our Davidson. Mami, kasama po kayo dito kasi dati po kayong sex bomb girl. Naging dancer yung nanay. Okay, and of course, all you have to do is to cover this up. So let's start off with our first step. Nandito pala ang ABS-CBN Live. Akala ko nag-live si Mami. Okay, for our first step, lagyan natin yan ng single, double. Okay, ganito lang po yan. Single, double, and a single, double. Okay, makita ka lang single, double. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, double. Single, double. Ako maganda po yung steps. Yung iba parang nagdasal lang po bigla. Pakita ulit ako ng single, double. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, double. Single, double. Lola, tumawa lang po tayo Kung gano'n tumawa lang po yung Lola. Ayan, okay. For our second step, ladies and gents, lagyan natin yun ng clap. Okay, ganito lang po yung clap. Clap, and clap. Okay, we want to see that clap in a 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap. Magandang step, very demure lang. Very parang umatan ka lang ng kumunyon mo. Tapos sabuta ka ng debu. Okay, and of course, to complete the dance steps that we have, nailin po ang dalawang kamay sa harapan. And all you have to do is to wiggle like this. Ayan, hindi mo mataas, no? Nakikita mo yung kulimlim. Sabi ko na nga ba. Okay, makita ko ng wiggle in 5, 6, 7, 8, and wiggle. Sabi ko na nga ba, ikaw ang dahilan ng bagyo this past few days. Okay, bago natin lapatan ng musika, sayawin muna natin yan ng may bilang, okay? In 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, double. Single, double. Clap, wiggle. Paalala ko lamang po, ang sayo na ito ay hindi po misa. Ito po ay selebrasyon, no? Lagyan po natin ng energy. Kaya without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, DJ, let's go heat that beat. Bakla muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, go. Single, double. Single, double. Clap. One more time. May kaliman. Single, double. Single, double. Clap. One more time. Hey. Single, double. Single, double. Clap. Wiggle. There you go. Thank you so much, ladies and gents. Pwede na po kayong lahat tumuwi. Joke lang po. Just kidding, you may now all be seated and thank you so much for dancing with us. Kaya po muna po tayo. Ayan, sige, Inaubi. Meron po bang inika? Meron po bang kailangan ng ano dito? Wala naman po. Sayang kung wala. Sige po muna po kayo. Ayan, thank you so much guys for dancing together with us. Sige po muna po kayo and find the best seat where you can sit more comfortable so that you can enjoy our program for tonight. And of course, Mommy also can now be seated as well. Okay. Alis pa lang tayo na bako na tayo sa ating tunay na celebration. Kaya bigyan muna natin ng mikropono ang ating, of course, our very beautiful Davidson. Ayan. Upo muna tayo. Bigyan natin siya ng microphone. Ayan. Thank you so much. Hi, hello, Shania. Ay, tinawanan. How are you, Shania?
Okay lang.
Wala pala conversation na nagawa yan. So, Shania, if you're going to describe your day-to-day in one word, what best describe your day-to-day? Kung di nyo kaya, girl, nakapag-aral ako sa farm. Sige na. Oo. Anong best describe yung araw mo ngayon? Of course, every ladies, I think, this is our dream. Ay, our dream. Part pala ng girls. Lahat naman ng mga babae pangarap na magkaroon, of course, ng debut celebration. So, in only one word, what best describe your day today, anak? Are you happy? Blessed? Blessed? So, bakit parang you're a little bit emotional? Oo. Ay, wala naman sabi in English. Why do you feel so emotional? Are you really blessed and happy and unexpected na your mom is here celebrating with us tonight? Okay, so what's the thing why magiging emotional ka tonight, Shania?
Kasi po, memorable po yung araw na to for me.
So naging memorable siya because
Nandito po kayo lahat.
ay, di mo na ako mag-anak, girl. Nabayaran lang po ko dito. Ano yung sabihin ngayon? Pinapagahan ko lang yun. Tonight. So because of that thing, na lahat, nakarami man ng friends mo nandito ngayon, pwede mo ba silang batiin? Ayan. Batiin mo muna yung mga friends mo na nandito as early as now. Ayan. Sige, batiin mo sila. Ayan. How about the others? Ayan, sige. Oh, yung mga kaibigan po ni Shania, po, malakpak nga po kayo at kumaway. Yung mga wala po sa GC. Ay, lahat kayo nasa GC naman. Meron kami lahat nandito, sabi niya. So my next question for you, Shania, ayan. Since of course you don't know how to explain what you feel right now kasi you feel blessed, you feel happy, do you want to say something to all of our guests right now na sumama sa atin? At least welcome mo lang sila or at least sabihin mo lang sa kanila to stay up until matapos ang ating programa ngayong gabi. Kinakabasabi ni Shania, nung meeting sir, wala ka naman nasabi mag-message ako, sabi na. Sige, go Shania. A little bit, para at least maging comfy ka pa because of a lot of guests that we have right now. Go ahead. Just welcome them, very short.
At kung sa inyo, sana mag-stay kayo hanggang matapos.
Thank you so much, our very shy type debutant. Balakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, our debutant, Shania Faye. Feeling ko yung nanay din siguro mahihain. Mother, mahihain din ba kayo? Ay, di mamaya pa naman, Mother. Gumawa po kasi talaga si Mother ng thesis po para sa message na mamaya. Ganun po kahaba yung ginawa na. She made sure na talagang magkakaroon ng defense mamaya si Shania. And of course, one of time, once again, ladies and gents, welcome at sa our celebration for today. Kaya naman, at this point of time, of course, may request everyone muna po, ayan. Upo muna po tayong maayos. Ano po bang mga nakatayo dyan? All goods po ba lahat ng ating mga spaces, ayan? And of course, at this point of time, ladies and gents, ayan, puntahan muna natin yung ating mga... Okay ka na? Okay ka na ulit, Shania. Ayan, okay ka na. And of course, to start off our dance crew so for tonight, very golden our performing artist. Ayan, live tayo. Tawagin natin yung ating performer. Ayan, kami here na lady, alam. Nabalitaan ko, dati siyang Beanie members pero nabuwag. Nung sumali siya. Kaya nung umalis na siya, binuo ulit yung Beanie. Ayan, kami here who are dancing. Ayan, sama mo muna ko dito sa gitna. Ayan, dito. Kami here na. Oo. Talagang nag-ready talaga siya. Kasi batiin mo muna siya ng happy birthday. Oh, okay. Ay, paano yung flying kiss mo, girl? Ari, ayan. Kamusta ka muna ngayon bago ka sumayo habang nire-ready namin yung music mo? How are you?
Okay lang po.
Thank you, bye. Walang sentimental na conversation na yan. So, how are you right now?
Kinakabahan po.
Why you born? Ayun, you born. Bakit ka kinakabahan? Why are you nervous right now?
Kasi sasayaw po.
Ay, hindi sinabi sa'yo?
Ay.
Ikaw magkatanggal ng trusses na to ngayon. Lilitpitin mo siya in only 10 minutes. Hindi nabanggit sa'yo gagawin.
Go!
Hindi nabanggit. So, ngayon, are you ready to make sure that our guests will be having a good time when they see you dancing, twerking? Magka-twerk ka ba?
Parang hindi naman.
Kasi nabalitaan ko, nag-practice po talaga siya ng 3 years.
Totoo yan.
3 years siya. Pero yung 3 years po, tulog siya ng 2 years and a half. Nagulog na siya. Kaya naman, are you ready? Are you ready? Ay, ready na. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, gusto ko pag tinawag ko ang ating, of course, performer, have to make sure na lahat kayo papalakpak. So, are you ready? Kasi, alam mo, Shania, talagang nag-ready siya dito. Hindi siya natulog ng 1 week. Nag-shot siya sa bypass. Ay, uminom lang pala. Ay, hindi naman. Kala ko lang ginawa. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's give it up for Angelina Case!